quality ignition coil ensures that the engine receives a consistent, strong spark, which is critical for achieving maximum power and efficiency. This is particularly important today where higher ethanol blended fuels like E85 are the norm. Today's ethanol blended fuels can consist of 51 to 83% ethanol. With ethanol being hard to vaporize in cold start situations, it is more important than ever to replace your coils with only the highest quality ignition coil. Today we are looking at the premium, high quality ignition coil offerings of United Motor Products. UMP coils are made using ISO and TS certified procedures. Only the highest quality raw materials go into making United Motor Products coils. Let's take a look at the components that go into making a high quality coil. There are generally 6 main components that go into making a high quality coil on plug coil. Number 1, 100% virgin copper wire. Number 2, increased magnetic steel bobbins ensure a strong, consistent spark. Number 3, epoxy used to insulate the primary and secondary bobbins. Number 4, PBT polyglass filled housing to protect the internal windings from excessive heat and vibration. Number 5, stainless steel resistive contact spring. And last, number 6, high temperature and dielectric resistant silicone boot. Let's start with the internal primary and secondary windings. All of the copper wire that is wound in each United Motor Products ignition coil is made with virgin copper. Using a virgin copper wire virtually eliminates porosity in the extruded wire. This in turn creates a consistent current flow, leading to hotter spark for a more complete fuel burn. Inferior coils are made with recycled copper that contain impurities that can cause porosity pockets along the length of the wire. When the voltage flows through the copper, the porosity pockets create resistance in the current flow, which then create hot spots in the windings that cause the insulation to break down. This is the leading cause of premature coil failure. This will lead to a misfire code P0301 to P0312. The second component of the coil is the epoxy resin. Only the highest quality epoxy resins suitable for ISO and TS certifications are used in United Motor Products coils. The use of high quality resins aids in heat dissipation, moisture resistance, high dielectric strength, and anti-vibration fatigue. United Motor Products fills and cures their coils in a vacuum. With the coated copper wire and the epoxy fill in a vacuum, the spacing between the copper windings is void-free. This translates to improved thermal shock cycling resistance, superior electrical insulation, and higher resistance to cracking and fracturing. Superior epoxy also creates a lower coefficient of thermal expansion, resulting in the extended service life of the coil. The third component is the PBT glass-filled housing. A PBT glass-filled polymer is used for all coil housings. PBT is a high-impact, high dielectric strength polymer that also increases thermal stress properties over base plastic. The PBT material maintains its dielectric properties even with a lifetime of thermal shock events from atmosphere and driving conditions. Consistent vibrations on a motor can also create a severe environment that can cause coil housing failures. By using a glass-filled PBT material, the integrity of the housing is maintained after years and years of severe driving conditions. The fourth component is the stainless steel wound contact spring. These are engineered from stainless steel. This ensures the correct electrical resistance is established to absorb the RFI emissions created at the connection point of the spring and the spark plug. Some designs require additional resistance by adding a ferrite ferrule contained within the spring for added RFI and EMI absorption. The fifth component is a silicone spark plug boot. Only the highest quality, high heat silicone polymer is used in all coil boots. The use of high dielectric polymers to make the coil boot provides a superior dielectric barrier that prevents voltage leaks. The material also guards against the premature degradation of the boot that can lead to dielectric blowout through failures and leakages. The contact point of the spring and spark plug is where the greatest heat is generated and the highest dielectric failures occur. With the use of only the highest quality dielectric silicones, you can be assured of maximum service life. With all the high quality components and industry certified manufacturing processes that go into each and every United Motor Products ignition coil, you can have the confidence of installing only the best products on your customer's vehicle. Unlike other brands that offer either a 1-year or 36,000 mile warranty, United Motor Products has a confidence in their coils and all of their sensor and ignition products to offer a 5-year, 50,000 mile warranty. Thanks for watching.